Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, let's discuss on a topic that many people need, many people want, and most people struggle with: how to learn English effectively. If you ever think that English is a ghost that keeps running away from you, or if you have read 5 grammar books and still says, hey, go to school every day, then relax and stay tuned. This video is definitely for you. I'll tell you a few simple but powerful ways to learn English more effectively. Tip 1: start small but be consistent. Let's be honest, guys. Whenever we started to learn English on the first day, we say, like, I learn 100 words today and I'll speak like an English news reader in next 1 week. But what happens the second day? We all like, where is my mother tongue, Telugu? Come on, I need you, I miss you. And the next day, we started to speak in Telugu again. Then, how we learn English? English can never be learned this way. Not only English, to learn anything or any other language, we need consistency. Instead of starting very big, take small steps. Start little by little. Try to learn at least 5 words or 2 words daily. Spend 10 to 15 minutes every single morning to learn English. Hey, brushing your teeth alone takes 2 minutes, right? Are you telling me English is less important than your teeth? No, right? Yeah, I personally believe that small steps taken daily are better than big steps taken once in a blue moon. Tip 2: use it or lose it. Let me tell you something funny. There is one guy who learned around 2000 words and he knew the word articulate. When his boss asked him to explain this, he said, like, sir, I am confused. I don't know. What happened? He knew it, right? He learned it, right? He learned it, but he never used it. That's the problem. Don't collect words like a Pokemon cards. Start using them. Speak with your friends daily in English. Talk to your dog in English. But remember, your dog won't correct your grammar. Hey, just kidding. And at least you can try recording yourself on phone. But please, don't be shy, guys. When babies started walking, they fall 100 times. But no one laughs at them, right? Then why to laugh when someone says, I'm going to park the walk? Oops, sorry. Walk to the park. Tip 3: surround yourself with English. Uh, s- if you want to learn English much faster, make it a background music. Start watching movies in English. Start watching English podcasts. Even if you don't understand everything that you see, uh, don't worry. Your brain secretly listens. Just like mom listens secretly from the kitchen when you are gossiping on phone. And also try this. When you're watching a movie, first watch it with subtitles, and second time when you're watching, turn off the subtitles and watch again. And like it's just like watching it with the training wheels first and then removing it. Just like that. Tip 4: learn phrases instead of words. Learning single words is good, but learning phrases is better. Instead of the word hungry, learn I'm starving. Let's grab a bite. Just like this. I want to learn English. Okay, so what are you doing about it? Mm, I have downloaded 11 apps, subscribed 9 YouTube channels, and following 15 lecturers on Instagram who is teaching English. But did you practice? No, I liked all that posts. Come on, don't be that person. English will never enter your mind if you like or scroll or subscribe to these channels. You gotta speak, read, and think in English. Then only you will learn English. Tip 5: keep a journal or diary. Every night before you sleep, write 3 lines about your day in English. If you write today as, today I eaten biryani and it was tasteful. Next week you will write as, I ate biryani today and it was delicious. See, practice makes progress. And guess what? Your diary never laughs at your grammar mistakes, guys. Tip 6: don't just study, try to understand. Many people just mug up English like an exam. But the real learning happens when we understand why. Just like why do we say in the morning but at night? Try to understand patterns. Ask questions. Even better, try to teach people what you have learned. That's the easiest way to remember what you have just learned. Tip 7. Believe in yourself. Here is a secret. The biggest problem is not grammar, it's fear. You already know more than you think. You just need confidence. Speak with mistakes. It's okay. The ultimate goal is communication, not perfection. Even the native speakers say, like all the time. So relax. Remember, fluency comes from courage, not just vocabulary. So, friends, these are my top tips to learn English more effectively. Be consistent, use what you learn, practice speaking, surround yourself with English, and laugh at your mistakes, not fear them. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let me know in the comments what is the funniest mistake that you have made while speaking in English. Let's laugh together. And I'll see you in my next one. Until then, happy learning. Thank you.